Hi everyone, and welcome to the 6th video of MuleSoft for Agentforce by MuleSoft Ambassadors. I cannot believe we are already on the 6th video, and today I have the immense pleasure of having Rajesh Kumar as our special guest. I'm sure many of you recognize him from his countless activities and many years in the MuleSoft ecosystem and community as a MuleSoft ambassador, meetup leader, blog writer, and much more. Welcome, Rajesh. Would you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. Thanks, Sabrina. Thanks for that. Hi, everyone. I am Rajesh Kumar. I work at a TCS as a senior solution architect, and I have around 20 years of experience. I started working on MuleSoft technology back in 2014, so which is more than 10 years. During that time, Mule 2.x was the era. I still remember the Anypoint Studio was gathering more popularity and evolving. Over the years, I worked as a developer, designer, or integration architect, solution architect, platform architect. As part of that, I have done multiple platform setup across the different deployment topologies for the various industries. And I have done a couple of C4E setups also as part of my consulting engagements. There's more. And I strongly believe on learning, sharing, and of course, growing together. As part of this, I have associated with the community more than or almost to 10 years, enter my MuleSoft journey. I have written multiple blogs, as Sabrina mentioned, and of course, I delivered a lot of presentations during the various meetups or MuleSoft Salesforce events. Thanks.
Amazing. And yeah, I'm so excited because like a few of the other ambassadors we've interviewed, you've been in the MuleSoft ecosystem for so long. You've seen so many products evolve. So with this new introduction of Agentforce, what excites you about how MuleSoft and Agentforce can work together to power this agentic future?
In the current era, where AI is gaining the more attention, especially in the technology side, everyone is talking about the technology in the AI and bringing the technology, how the transformation is going, innovation is going. Bringing Agentforce and MuleSoft together definitely is a game changer for any industry. It could be retail, having the smarter onboarding, purchasing experience or customer experience. It could be insurance domain where you claim where processing the settlements or smarter onboarding, or it could be manufacturing for streamlining the supply chain processing. I started majorly on the manufacturing industry. So focusing on the manufacturing industry, definitely the Agentforce can act as a central hub for managing the customer information, workflows, and key metrics. Where MuleSoft ensures, of course, in the backend, the MuleSoft ensures that seamless integration with all the production systems, supply chain, and other critical systems, whether it could be on-premise or cloud, anywhere it could be. So together, the MuleSoft and Agentforce create a powerful ecosystem that provides manufacturers with a real-time unified view of their operations, enabling smarter decision making, improved efficiency. Of course, all this lead to the better customer experiences.
I love that. And I love that you're already starting to explore this in the manufacturing ecosystem. You mentioned a few other industries. What future use cases do you see for those industries with MuleSoft and Agentforce?
As I mentioned, there are multiple use cases or they exist. So if I focus on the manufacturing side, which I was evaluating, one could be definitely smart manufacturing operations agent. Definitely this will transform how manufacturers manage their production and supply chain process end to end. The key capabilities could be real-time monitoring, proactive alerts rather than reactive, automated workflows, and predictive insights. Ultimately, all this should enable manufacturers to operate more efficiency, reduce the downtime, and definitely drive the innovation.
So no shortage of use cases at all for these industries with Agentforce and MuleSoft.
Yes, definitely.
Awesome. Well, thinking beyond manufacturing, because there's so many possibilities and we see all of those within this one industry, if you could build any agent with Agentforce and MuleSoft, what would it be and why?
Another could be in the retail industry. I can focus more. So especially the smarter, I think we have seen a lot of gain in the e-commerce as part of the digitalization, right? As we've seen the recent to explain the COVID and all, everything is going the digitalization. Agent definitely will have the better customer experience, smarter onboarding, and operations management, and having the customer relationship, better customer relationship, where the agents force will make a crucial role. Of course, the MuleSoft will ensure that all systems connects together and to help the agent to have the smarter decisions.
Awesome. I like that idea. And I think beyond, just building agents, we've been hearing this kind of thought leadership idea of agentic architectures. How do you see MuleSoft playing a role in the future of agentic architectures?
So MuleSoft at least here will play key to the future of this agentic architecture. Of course, by connecting to the different systems, data, tools, which works agents to make sure that works smoothly. Whether it is a tracking production, managing supply chains, or improving the customer service, MuleSoft will make it easier for agents to share the information and collaborate with the real-time data. By making these, agents will be able to react to the changes quickly to avoid any delays and make a smarter decisions. So MuleSoft will also automate the routine tasks and organize the complex processes, and which enables agents basically focus on higher value of the strategic talks. Of course, it could be any industry. I'm not limiting to anything specific industry. It could be common anywhere to enhance the customer operations.
I love that. Yeah. So again, it's really like the common pattern I've heard in all of these videos is there's no limit to the possibilities of what this future will look like with Agentforce and MuleSoft. Well, before we go, I'd just like to open the floor up to you. Is there anything else you'd like to talk about regarding MuleSoft and Agentforce or agents or future projects that you're really excited to work on?
I was talking about the multiple use cases, right? Maybe I was thinking similarly in the wider in the industries. It could be like a agent factory kind of thing, smart agent factory. It could be focused on not only the manufacturing, for basically for any industry. Say for example, if I take an example again on the manufacturing side, it could be something like Agentforce as a centralized hub, monitoring the mission performance, scheduling predictive maintenance, and optimizing the production lines in the real time. Similarly, the inline to the same thing, it could be your productive supply chain optimization, where agents in the Agentforce could predict the disruptions. For example, it could be delays or shortages, anything, and recommend the alternative suppliers to all the processes or routes, ensuring the seamless operations. So we could see at least endless opportunities or how we can streamline the operations in any industry. Definitely,
Awesome.
that
I
could be some
love it.
addition, Sabrina. Yeah.
Great. Well, thank you, Rajesh, so much for joining us today. We really appreciate your valuable insights. We can't wait to see some of these manufacturing and other industry stories come to life. Hope you'll share them with our community once you're done. We just want to say thank you again. And if you would like to connect with Rajesh, I will include his LinkedIn in our post. Feel free to reach out to him. Thank you, Rajesh.
Thank you. Thank you, Sabrina. Thank you so much for the opportunity.